Over the years, Umu Igbo Unite has represented the unity of Igbo in the diaspora. The annual convention has served as an avenue for young professionals of Igbo descent to come together. The elements of UIU have always been these three things: the professional, the social, and the cultural. But at the meeting point of these three things, the core of our mission, the heart of our organization, the middle of our name, is one word: Igbo. This year, we want to acknowledge something we've known all along: the greatness of our tribe. The Igbos have a long and rich history of resilience, resourcefulness, and excellence. It's time to remember. Igbo di Egwu. Omenala Igbo di Egwu. Asụsụ Igbo di Egwu. Igbo di Egwu. We need to level up.